Today we have a 2014 Range Rover. So I had to access this blend door motor. What this does, turns this wheel into hot or cold on the door flaps inside the vehicle. So that is right here. That's this guy. All the way over there. And I wanted to just make sure, because they're all the same, they're all over the place. There's no information on this that's very well described. But I finally got it to go into failure. Alright. So this is the driver's side. That's actually the passenger side. These do the floor and rear. So I just wanted to keep messing with it just so I could watch it fail. It's hard to see, but this door motor up here is moving and the armature is not moving. See it? Now it's digiting. Means the motor's breaking down and wearing. Look at the other side, moves freely. And everything on a Range Rover, Land Rover, unfortunately, they trap all their hardware underneath other pieces, so you have to remove everything on this thing. Here's all the stuff. Center consoles. Oh, nice.